Like, people, I think, are sleeping on pita pizzas. Like, they think they're just for kids, but they're for adults, too.
What's up? It's Kat and Dad from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe. Today, we're making another one of our favorite kinds of food.
Pizza.
It's pizza, yeah.
And, like, really, really easy pizza.
What do we love more than easy food or pizza?
Yeah.
Donuts would be the only one.
Donuts, yeah. I will say, like, there's been a lot of recipes that have taken a lot of work lately. So, like, this is a recipe I wanted something simple and something delicious. So I made pita pizzas.
And it's honestly something that you could use, like, kind of on a daily. It's like really good lunch, right?
Yeah, it's a great lunch because you could make it in like 20 minutes, basically.
I love it.
Like, people, I think, are sleeping on pita pizzas. Like, they think they're just for kids, but they're for adults, too.
All right, well, this is gonna be the thing that gets that ball rolling. It's gonna be the summer of pita pizzas.
Yes. All right. Oh, did we talk? Yeah, we didn't even talk about what kind of pizza we made. Inspired by a previous pizza we've made, I think in like the first year of TMG. It was like our first kind of unofficial challenge video, I think.
Wow.
Where I made a barbecue chicken pizza, and I kind of just wanted to give that a kind of refresh and make a barbecue chicken pizza again.
And I'm here for it, because I already had some barbecue sauce from previous recipes, so it worked out really well.
And it works out because if you don't want a barbecue sauce, you can sub in for buffalo sauce. And then it's a buffalo chicken pizza.
I'm not gonna lie, it crossed my mind.
I thought you might have done it. Okay.
Just saying, there's some more chicken left that might have to have some buffalo sauce on it.
There is still time for buffalo chicken pizza.
All right, should we go make it though?
Definitely.
Okay, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss more pita pizzas or other stuff. But let's go make pizza.
To make your barbecue chicken pita pizzas, we're first going to start off by combining some barbecue sauce in a bowl with some pieces of vegan chicken, and then toss that until it's nice and coated, and set that aside. Then you're going to place your pitas on a baking sheet and spread with some more barbecue sauce, sprinkle with some vegan mozzarella shreds, and then top with your vegan chicken, some diced or sliced red onions, and some more vegan mozzarella. Then you're gonna bake that in a 400-degree oven until the cheese is melted and the bottom is golden and crispy. Once it's done, you're gonna sprinkle the finished pizzas with a little bit of cilantro and serve with some vegan ranch if you'd like. Wow, that was so quick.
Wow, amazing.
Wow, you're back already. Wow.
Oh my gosh. I blinked and I missed it.
Also, like, I say pita pizzas. I actually use naan. Naan is a great option too. But like pita or naan, completely up to you.
Agreed.
Okay, pizza time.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. It really comes down to the sauce you choose. Like, make sure you pick a barbecue sauce you really like.
Yeah.
Not like a barbecue sauce you're just trying to get rid of. Because I've had one of those barbecue sauces before where you, like, buy it, you think it's going to be great, then you try it, and you're like, wow, I have this whole bottle to use now.
Barbecue sauce should come in a smaller container, I think. I don't know why it doesn't.
Agreed.
When you're buying your barbecue sauce, remember to look out for, like, why are they putting anchovies in it or something like that?
Right? I don't get it.
Silliness.
What do we want to talk about in the comments?
I think we should share other pita pizza topping combo ideas.
Yeah, pita pizzas are such an easy thing to throw together, and there's so much versatility. Like, do whatever you want on a pita pizza. It's great.
Exactly. I'm trying to think of, like, some kind of Greek or Mediterranean inspired one that would be easy to throw together. Like, I would just put feta and sun-dried tomatoes and olives on.
Or in, like, artichoke hearts. Oh,
yeah.
So good.
But, like, what should be the sauce there?
I wonder if you could do, like, a yogurt-based thing. Or, like, a tzatziki or something.
Oh.
That might be nice.
Okay. Yeah, so let's share some pita pizza ideas in the comments because, we're trying to, like, bring pita pitas back. Pita pizzas.
Yeah, we're trying to bring them beyond children's lunches.
They should be the new TikTok food trend.
Like, they shouldn't just be, like, this backup thing that you make because you only have 20 minutes. They should be something you strive to make.
Yeah. Pita pizzas are not the backup plan. They are the plan.
Exactly. They should be on the menu days in advance.
Well, I did not expect us to get this passionate about
We're going to show up in the next video with, like, Team Pita Pizzas. Just shirts on, be like, we're here, we're bringing pita pizzas back, it is great. And honestly, maybe they didn't go anywhere. Maybe I'm just, like, not versed on the internet well and don't know how popular pita pizzas are.
Well, let's see if it's not on TikTok, then I don't think it's popular.
Exactly.
All right. As usual, the recipe will be linked in the description box below if you want to go make it. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. It comes out every Monday, everywhere that you get podcasts. If you liked how passionate we just got about pita pizzas, we bring a lot of that to the podcast, so you should go check it out.
Yes.
There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who help support the work that we do, and in exchange, we give them some bonus content. So if you're able to support us that way, we really, truly appreciate it. But if not, that's okay. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share it so that everyone else can get in on this pita pizza action.
Yeah, yes. Pita pizzas for life. I just want to put, like, everything spicy on a pita pizza. Just like banana peppers, other things that are spicy that I can't think of. Jalapenos.
Oh, what about, like, if you could get some spicy chorizo or, like, sausage?
Ooh, yeah.
Oh.
Like a spicy meat lover's pizza. Oh, that'd be so good. Yeah.
Yeah.
I could talk about pizza toppings all day.
It is really fun. Yeah, we should go?
Yeah. Bye.
Okay, bye.